want to thank you for all the comments you guys are putting on the Facebook and tuning in every day. We appreciate your comments, your interest, and here we are, the top 2 in the world, out with me as a 4-time winner and your newest Mr. Olympia champion here at Team Muscular headquarters in Canada. We are ready to knock the chest out, so come on, let's go take it.
You guys picked the body parts, and we executed them as best as we could for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
We want to thank everyone for tuning in and giving us the support. And here we are pushing for 2012 now. We're just resting after, of course, a successful year for both of us, and we look forward to giving you guys the best as we finish off the end of the year and into 2012. Thank you.
See you guys.